This video will explain how shop owners can accept payments using a Google Pay QR code. Accepting payments with Google Pay is easy and safe, even if you have no technical knowledge. All you need is QR code and a bank account. Now we will see what is a Google Pay QR code. A QR code is a square image with black and white patterns. For a shop owner, this QR code is linked to your bank account. When a customer scans it, they can pay money directly to you. The important point is the QR code only receives money. It never sends money from your account. To accept payments using Google Pay QR code, you need a bank account, a mobile number linked to that bank account, a smartphone, a Google Pay app installed. That's all. No extra machines or devices are required. Now we will see guide to accepting payments with Google Pay. Step 1 is create or get your Google Pay QR code. As a shop owner, you can get QR code in two ways. Option 1. Create QR code inside the Google Pay app. You have to open the Google Pay app, sign in using your mobile number, link your bank account, go to QR code section. Your personal QR code will be generated. Option 2 is use a printed Google Pay QR stand. Many shop owners receive a printed QR code stand from Google Pay partners, banks, and payment service providers. This printed QR code works the same way as the one in the app. Step 2 is display the QR code in your shop. Place the QR code near the billing counter where customer can clearly see and scan. The important tip is do not hide or cover the QR code. Customers must scan it easily. Step 3. How customers pay you. This is what happens on the customer side. Customer open Google Pay, then taps scan QR code, then scans your shop QR code, then customer enters the amount and UPI pin, then payment is completed. The important to understand is only the customer enters their UPI pin. You never enter your UPI pin to receive money. Step 4. How you receive the money. Once customer completes the payment, money goes directly to your bank account. You get a payment confirmation in the app. The customer also get a confirmation. This usually happens instantly. How you know payment is successful? You can confirm payment by seeing a success message in Google Pay, checking payment history in the app, receiving an SMS from your bank. The important point is always confirm payment before giving goods to the customer. Is Google Pay QR code safe for shop owners? Yes, it is very safe if you follow the basic rules. Do not share your UPI pin. Do not approve any payment request. Only receive money via QR scan. Ignore calls claiming to be Google Pay support. You have to remember to receive money, you do not need to approve anything. What are the common mistakes shop owners should avoid? Approving payment requests from strangers. Believing calls asking for refunds or verification. Sharing OTP or UPI pin with anyone. Thinking approval is needed to receive money. These are common scam tricks. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.